Today, we are going to introduce you to the best Velcro hair rollers. This tool works very well, capable of providing different types of curls in hair that last for long. On this channel, we give a random shout out for our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in our next video, you should subscribe now and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. Shout out to Molatella, Magagane, and Jelani and Nikelia. We appreciate your support. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Velcro hair rollers. Number 1. Conair Self-Grip 31 Count Roller. Do you want to make your hair curly effortlessly? If you want, so then this one is a super choice for you. It has self-grip that reduces all your efforts. Conair is a well-known brand for hair beauty products. They have been manufacturing these types of kits for hair for many years. It is a 31 roller set, which is huge. You can make your hair curl easily using all of them. If you have long hair, there is no tension because it has 31 rollers, which are enough to make curls at once. The amazing thing is they are different in size and many colors are available and look awesome. You can make both tight and loose curls. The good thing is you can use this roller in both wet and dry hair. The pros are, there is no need for any heat, it has many sizes and colors, it's easy to use, it lasts for long, and very comfortable. However, the cons are, it has a scent that is overpowered. Why do we recommend it? This is our top-rated product, and there are several reasons for its recommendation. There is no need for external heat in it, and wearing it is very comfortable. 31 pieces of the roller is huge, so why late? Grab your one today. Number 2. Drybar Self-Grip 6-Count Rollers. Are you looking for a self-grip hair roller to easily make curls in your hair? Drybar cares about your choice and needs. That's why they manufactured these 6-count rollers for you, which work well. 6 pieces of rollers are packed in a packet. There is no specific hair choice for this roller. You can use it on any type of hair. Its grip is so good, which allows it to stay in the same position without any clip. Are you tense about removing these rollers after use? No worries. You can easily remove the rollers from your hair, and it will not be a reason for hair damage. The pros are, self-grip is available, it has an awesome packaging, it's waterproof, it is also easy to use, and gives long-lasting curls. The cons are, it's not suitable for curling short hair. Why do we recommend it? You can use this product for a long time without any problem, and the grip will never stop working. This is the only reason to recommend this product to you. Like this one? Click the link in the description box below. If you haven't made a choice, then keep watching for more options we have for you. Number 3. Self-Grip Medium-Size Hair Dressing Curlers. Do you have medium-sized hair and looking for medium-sized curlers that are suitable for your hair? If our thinking is right, then it is the best choice for you. These curlers are called hair dressing curlers, and it is manufactured by the brand the UM24. The UM24 made this product with premium quality plastic material, which is definitely going to provide you with long-time service. It has 16 counts, which are packed in one packet, and the color is pink. Let's have a look at the size of these rollers. They are all 30 millimeters to 32 millimeters in size in diameter and 64 millimeters in length. The amazing thing is, it's totally self-gripped and it works perfectly. The pros are, its self-grip works well. It's good for professional use. It is also easy to use. It lasts for long. It's waterproof. However, the cons are, it has no clipping system. Why do we recommend it? Medium-sized curls look beautiful in medium-sized hair. As you are looking for curlers for your medium-sized hair, and this works best on that, so we highly recommend it for you. Number 4. Hair Art Jumbo Blue 2-Pack Rollers. Do you have long hair and are looking for big size curlers that are suitable for your hair? If we are right, then it will be the best choice for you. These curlers are called jumbo rollers, and this is manufactured by the brand Hair Art. Premium quality plastic material is used by Hair Art to make this product, and this will last for a long time, even after rough use. It has a 2-piece jumbo roller, which is packed in a small packet. The roller color is blue, which looks so gorgeous. The size of the roller is 1/4 inch. The amazing thing is, it is waterproof, and using this you can dry your hair within a short time. It is made of plastic, but it has a good grip, which is capable of holding the hair in the same place for a long time. The pros are, its grip is good, it holds hair tightly, it is waterproof, it's easy to use and long-lasting. The cons are only 2 pieces in one packet. Why do we recommend it? You have long hair and you need a gorgeous curly style in your hair. Wearing this, you can dry your hair within a short time. And obviously, it will give you awesome curls on your hair. Number 5, the UM24 Self-Grip Rollers. Do you want perfect self-grip hair rollers? If yes, then these rollers are going to fulfill your demand with perfect curls. This curler is manufactured by the brand the UM24. It is a famous brand for making self-grip rollers. The UM24 used premium quality plastic as its manufacturing material that is so good and lasts for long. It has 8 pieces of rollers in each packet, which is perfectly colored. The size is called jumbo because it can hold many hairs to make curl at a time, and 8 pieces are more than enough to make your long hair perfectly curled. Pros: self-grip, rolls perfectly, jumbo size, easy to maintain, waterproof. Cons: not suitable for making small curls. Why do we recommend it? The main reason behind the recommendation is the jumbo size and curling power. The curls made by these rollers last for a long time. You can use this on both dry and wet hair. It works well on both of them. When we hear about hair, we try to search for beauty. Hair is one kind of ornament of our body. A healthy, silky, shining curled hair looks like a crown in our head. To get a reflected hairstyle, we must use quality products. To suggest the best products from the market, our expert team always does huge research on products. Today, we discuss the best Velcro hair rollers. Here, we discussed 5 top-rated hair rollers, which are good for hair. Different people like different things because the choice is different. We highly recommend the best overall Conair Self-Grip 31-count roller, and the runner-up, Drybar Self-Grip 6-count rollers. The rest of the rollers are also the best hair rollers for bouncy curls. Buying guide: what to look for in a hair roller before buying. We all are not experts in everything. While buying anything, if you do not have enough ideas, then you need to hear experts' opinions. Do you want to invest your money in the best way? If yes, then here our expert team has made a complete guide about choosing the best Velcro hair rollers. 1. Roller size. There are different sizes of roller available on the market. Buy the suitable one for you. If you have small hair and you like to have a small curl on your hair, then choose small rollers. If you have long hair and want a big curl, then choose big size rollers. 2. Material quality. Material is very important for any kind of product. The longevity of a product depends on material quality. So, to use this roller for a long time, you must buy premium quality products. 3. Grip feature. Buy a roller that has a good quality grip. If you do not notice that, then you will not get a better result. Good quality grip holds hair strongly and provides perfect curl, and that lasts for long. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section, and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.